Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. You already know what time it is. Wings on the menu today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some hot honey butter garlic wings. Yep, mouthful, and trust me, literally, they're a mouthful. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our chicken wings, and we're gonna keep these babies whole. I didn't cut them. You can if you want, totally up to you. We have some eggs here, honey, seasoned chicken flour here. Now you can use regular flour, that's totally up to you. Had this seasoned chicken flour, I said let me go ahead and use this. Salt and pepper, cornstarch, red chili flakes, paprika, some chicken seasoning here, garlic powder, onion powder, butter, some dried chilies here, and some freshly chopped garlic. That's all you need. Let's get to it. So the first thing we're gonna do is start seasoning our chicken. I'm just gonna, hit this with a little olive oil, get that mixed in here like that. Then take my chicken seasoning, and I'm gonna add it here and go back in with my hands. Real simple, just like that. Let's continue. Now let's create our batter mixture. We're gonna add our flour here, and that's some seasoned chicken flour there. Our cornstarch, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper. And I'm gonna dash this with a little cayenne pepper. That's more than a dash. Now we're gonna add our eggs. And all we're gonna do is get this mixed in like this. And it should start forming a little paste. All right, that looks good. Let's continue. So next, all we're gonna do is we're gonna take that mixture and we're going to pour it over our chicken like this. Or if you had a big enough bowl, you could just add the mixture in with your chicken, or add your chicken in with the mixture, I'm sorry. Just like that. Now you can either go in with your hands, or I'm gonna try to go in with a spoon to see if I get it all coated. Maybe I have to go in with my hands to make sure I get that coating all over the chicken, but I'm gonna try not to get my hands all dirty. All right, that's what we have. Now we're gonna let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Right before that time is up, we're gonna start preheating our oil to 350 so we get those babies in there, all right? All right, guys, looks like we're up to temperature. I don't have my thermometer because I don't have a battery, but hey, it looks like it's ready. So we're gonna start dropping our wings in here, and I'm gonna cook these in batches. And I'm gonna let these babies cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna flip them over midway through the process. But once those babies start rising to the top and they turn the temperatures at 165, they're good. All right, so it looks like we are good. Let's take a look at that. Man, it doesn't get any better than that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a resting rack, let that grease drain off of it, put it in a warmer, and we're gonna get that oil back up to temperature and drop the rest of our chicken, all right? All right, guys, so we are good with our last batch. Go ahead and get this removed. Man, don't that look crispy? Sit this over here on our cooling rack. All right, so now let's change up some cookware and then we're gonna come back. All right, so let's start making our honey butter sauce. We're gonna melt our butter. As that butter melts, add your garlic, and we're gonna cook this to fragrant. After that, we're gonna add our chili flakes and our red chilies. And let's not forget our honey. We're gonna get that mixed in, allow the mixture to thicken up just a little. You also wanna add a little salt. This should take just a minute or so. And once that sauce starts to thicken just a little bit and it's ready, I like to reserve just a little bit for, I actually double up on the recipe for the sauce because I like to have a little bit for myself to pour over the chicken. So I'm gonna add this here to a little cup. I'm gonna sit that back right there. Now that we reserved a little of that sauce for ourselves, we're gonna take our wings, we're gonna add them here to our pan. And we're just gonna move these babies around 1 to 2 minutes per side. Just let them cook here like this. Flip these babies over. Do it a minute or so on this side. All right, guys, it looks like we are good, man. Let me show you what we got. We finna head over here to quality control. Oh, man. So let's go ahead and get these babies plated up and headed to quality control. And guys, there you have it. Hot honey buttered wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Man, these babies looking good and they smelling good. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. All right, guys, it's quality control time. Man, honey buttered. Man, they should be honey buttered garlic. I'm telling you, man. That garlic on top of that thing, man. Let's pull this wing out of here. Man, and they crispy. That's what I like about it too. You can still see they crispy and they sticky. Let's come back up here to the front of the congregation. Guys, take a look at that. Garlicky hot. Let's go ahead and do it for let's do it for the culture. Oh man, we just did it for the culture. All right. Side we're gonna get on this side right here. Oh man. Let's switch hands. I gotta hold this baby right. Oh man. So I'm gonna sit that back over there while I finish this video. So guys, make sure you try this one out. Delicious, got so much flavor in it. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef, he just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.